the unhealthy monster. This is Sam. Every day, he gets up at 1 in the afternoon. He never brushes his teeth or washes his face. He goes to the kitchen and has a soda and crisp for breakfast. Then he sits on his couch and he watches television for 4 hours. While he is on the couch, he eats 5 hot dogs and a lot of ice cream for dessert. He never drinks water. Later, he plays video games for hours. At night, he watches TV again. He eats candies and chocolates, and he goes to sleep at 7 a.m. He sleeps 6 hours every day. Answer the questions below. Number one, what time does Sam get up? Number two, what does he eat during the day? Number three, does he do exercise or play any sport? Number four, what activities does he do during the day? And number five, what time does he go to sleep?